turned on the indicator and this is blinking. That means we are correct. The blue is for brake. So if you see, छोड़ के हाँ छोड़ना एक बार ब्रेक एंड ब्रेक लगा लो. नीला भी आ रहा है. Hey guys, welcome back to another episode of We Builds. In this episode, we are going to install trunk lights in the Swift. Let's do it. This is the trunk light and it's gonna be an easy install. It comes with double-sided tape so that you don't have to worry about that. And then there are these wires which we need to connect. I'll show you where. Negative goes to negative, red one, this black goes to negative I should say, and the red one is positive. And then yellow ones, these two are for the indicators. One is for the left, one is for the right. And then this one green I guess is for the running lights and white should be for the brake. That I'll test and show you. So you don't need any fancy tools for this. Should be normal tools should be enough. Let's do it. Ta-da! Firstly, to access the wires to the brake lights where we also have the indicators, we need to open the backlight from here. Comes off there. So now we can access all the connections right there. We will need to open both the lights because the indicator we need to access from both sides. So I'll quickly open this one also. Now we need to tap in all these wires. This one is for the indicator, so this green one and one black. So let's tap all of these. There's the black one, and for the indicators, there we go. Okay, now I'll put on these clips to test it. Now just to check if the wires are tapped in correctly, I'll show you. Here is my tester. I'll put it in here and you see I have turned on the indicator and this is blinking. That means we are correctly tapped into the indicator, right? When the headlights are on, there is a backlight which is supposed to be always on, but in our case the backlight has gone bad, so we have already disconnected it. So that's why these are the wires. I have to test which one is for the backlight, always running backlight. Now the headlight is on, so headlight being on, I can just check in these two wires which one is the backlight. Should be easy. I'll just put one to negative here and this one to white, doesn't blink, and this one blue. Yeah, this one. So this is a constant positive for backlight when headlight is on. So we can connect our red wire here, then black wire can go to the ground, and then red brake wire can go to this red, and the indicator, right indicator wire can go to this one. Let's make the connections quickly. To show you, in case you're wondering, this is how we connect this connector, male type. You just put it in, and there is actually a special plier which comes for pressing this, and I forgot to bring it here, so I'm just using my normal pliers to press it. Don't press it too much, it might just break. Okay, there you go, and should be tight enough. That's how you connect these connectors. So I'll connect them to all of these. for the left indicator, I'm just connecting this wire and then I can close this left side. At least, yeah, here it is connected. Turn it on. Okay. Can just close this one at least. This yellow wire goes to the green indicator one, and so the right and left indicators are connected. The ground I have already connected. The always on is also connected. Now we are left with the brake lights, and these two are colorful lights. What we can use them for, I am thinking about it. We'll see. So now I'm gonna test the wires, like, because I know we are left with these three wires. One is for brakes, but I don't know what other two are for because we have already connected the indicators. So now let's try with the white. Okay, now let's try with the blue. The blue is for brakes. So if you see, when we press the brakes, it blinks three times and then it goes steady. So this is gonna be our brake. So blue is brake. Now the green one is, oh, fancy. This is like all colors are going on left and right. So the green, I'm not sure, maybe we'll put a switch for the green one. And then the white is, oh, white does nothing, so there's one less wire to think about. So let's connect the brake wire now. Oh sorry, blue is the brake wire, right? Oh yep, blue is brake. Just now I connected the wrong one, but okay. It goes. Just slide it in the brake wires. Okay, let me show you the connections one last time. Here, any black wire you can take for the ground, so black goes to ground, and then this blue wire is what comes on when you have the running lights, or you just turn on the headlights. So this gives a constant supply of 12 volts. Then this one is for the brake light, so blue wire goes to the brake light, and then this is for the right indicator, and then left indicator I have connected directly to the left side. So these are all the connections. And then one final, this green one is like all multicolored lights. So this one, this wire I'm going to take inside and connect to the subwoofer. So when the woofer is on, that time we'll have multicolor lights. So it's gonna be lit. I can close the lights now. So I'll just close the lights now, and this module is gonna stay in here. Okay. Now let's clean the surface where we will paste the light. Good clean. Now to install the lights, fold it in half. Find the center. Center is somewhere right here. Put it right there. Okay. Try to close it. Cool. So we have the light installed. Now this is multicolored light which is connected to the subwoofers. So party mode on. So when we turn on the subwoofer, then only those lights will come up. These are multicolored, will look very nice at night. See? Oh, even dancing lights. छोड़ के हाँ छोड़ना एक बार ब्रेक, हैंड ब्रेक लगा लो, हैंड ब्रेक लगा लो, हाँ सही। और अब ब्रेक दबाओ। और तेरी तो इंडिकेटर राइट वाला, लेफ्ट वाला, हाँ सही सही सही। ओके का इंडिकेटर पता नहीं. And we are done. The lights are installed. What's up guys, see you in the next one. This is how you install the trunk lights. In the next one, bye bye, like, share, subscribe, ta-da.
If you like this video, please consider subscribing.
This guy's not slowing down. Yeah, that's confirmed. He's not stopping. Code 3.
देख डिस्को लाइट है ये, डिस्को लाइट नहीं. अच्छा ये हुआ. अब मैं बटन दोबारा दबा के देखता हूँ. नहीं